Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete recently deleted voice memos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the voice memos application. Once opened, locate and click on recently deleted. Then here you should see all your recently deleted voice memos on your iPhone. To delete them, go ahead and click on edit at the top right. Click on delete all, or better still, select the voice memo you want to delete permanently. And then click on delete. Then select delete forever. Now to delete all the voice memos at once, click on edit at top right. Select delete all at bottom right. And then click on delete forever. And then you're good. Now you should see your recently deleted voice memos deleted. So that's exactly how to empty or delete recently deleted voice memos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.